Welcome students. I will start a new chapter for class 6 English grammar, and the name of the chapter is Probability and Certainty. That is for chapter 23, and in this chapter I will tell you how and when to use may, could, must, etc. So before that we will see some words here: can, could, shall, may, might, will, should, would, must. So what type of words are these? Okay, these are modal verbs. We will try to see the definition of modal verb. What is a modal? A verb that comes with another verb to indicate mood or tense. A modal, also known as modal auxiliary, expresses necessity, uncertainty, ability, or permission. I am going to share some useful tips to help you use them little more effectively when you speak English. These are some of the modal verbs. Now, these modal verbs are auxiliary verbs just like be, do, and have because they were together with the main verb. You always have a modal verb with the main verb. Modal verb plus main verb. Some of the examples are here, which are highlighted. These are modal verb. I could go. You should take. They would like. Rosie may borrow. Now, these modal verbs are used in English to express something. They have a purpose. So, we need to try and understand that purpose today. Now, they can be used to talk about possibility and probability, to talk about how likely something is. Now remember, you are always using in the modal verb with the main verb. So how likely is it that the action will happen? You can see in the screen one example, it will happen. Will is highlighted. So it is certain. You are sure. You are confident that it will happen. Next example, it should happen. Should is highlighted. Should is given important here. Is a probable. Is a probable. Is a likely that happen. Is there a good chance that will happen? Next, it can happen. It couldn't happen. So, is it possible or is it unlikely? Now, all of this situation, you can use a modal verb to explain how certain you are that something will happen, how possible something is. Now, the same modal verb can also be used to explain ability, offer, possibility, request, permission, not allowed. Again, you can see it is highlighted in red. One example, I can speak 3 languages. That is ability that she can speak 3 languages. Okay, next is she can play the piano. She had got the ability that she can play the piano. Offering something to other. Can I help you? I can send this letter for you. Offering help to others. Next is possibility. Smoking can cause cancer. This is possible that if you are continuing with smoking, then you will suffer from cancer. That is possibility. It can get very hot there 3 days. Next is request. Can you hand me the pencil? Request. Someone is asking to someone, requesting someone that you can hand me the pencil. Can I go to the park? Next is permission. Can I borrow your notebook? Asking permission with very respectful. Can I speak to Mary? Last is not allowed. You cannot drive fast. Means you are not allowed to drive fast. If you will drive fast, something bad will happen to you or some accident may cause. So you cannot drive fast. Again, you cannot smoke here. Some restricted places are also there. In that place you cannot smoke. So you cannot smoke here. That is not allowed. In this lesson, I will talk about how we use modal verb to talk about certainty, possibility, and probability. Okay, let's start with probability, possibility, and certainty. We use may and might to say that something is possible. We can also use them for present or future tense. The news may or might be true. It is also highlighted may and might. So, perhaps the news is true. He may phone me this evening. Perhaps he will phone this evening. We might go to Shimla next summer. It's not sure that we are going to Shimla or not. We may or we might go to Shimla next summer. There is also almost no difference in meaning, but a speaker who uses might is a little less sure. When you are a little less sure, then you are using may or might. Again, another example. I may go to Nagpur tomorrow. You are not sure. Only 50% chance is there. You may go or you may not go. Okay. Arun might come with me. Here also 40% chances is there that he may come or come. Arun might come with me. The person also don't know. Can, may, might is used in question about possibility. We use cannot or can't to say that something is not possible. Can the news be true? Or you can say the news can't be true. It is not possible that the news is true. Compare the above sentence with the following. The news may not be true. So we use cannot to say that something is not possible. We can also use could to talk about possibility in the present or future. It is less strong than might or may. I could come round this evening. So earlier I told you there is 50% chance. So here you can say that only 30% chances are there that I could come round this evening. The person is also not sure. So it is used here could. It can be used for present or future tense. There's the doorbell. It could be Vinod. The one who is inside the house, he also don't know, just he is imagining that it could be Vinod outside the door who is ringing the bell. We use must to say that we suppose something is certain. In this sense, it is the opposite of cannot. He left an hour ago, so he must be home by now. Means I feel sure that he is at home now. The person is feeling. The story must be a joke. It can't be true. This also means that I feel sure that it is not true. The story is not true. No one is answering the phone. They must be out. In this sentence, your answer cannot be correct. Okay, your answer can't be correct. See, if you are calling someone, the person is not picking up the phone, then you can think, or you are thinking that no one is answering the phone, they must be out or they must be doing something. You are not sure. It cannot be correct. Okay. So we also use must when we are confident and sure that something that is happening in the present, and usually we have reason or explanation to tell us why something is happening. In the last sentence also we can say that when you are not sure or your answer is it cannot be correct, just you can imagine that it can be correct. You are just thinking that maybe this person is doing that, or may the person is out. So in this type of sentence also you can use must. The use of may, might and must with have, that is past participle. He didn't seem surprised when I told him. He may have already know about it. Means the person may already know about it. So he is not surprised. So in this sentence with past participle we are using may have. There is nobody in. They might have gone shopping. Probably they have gone for shopping. I can't find an umbrella. I can't find my umbrella. I must have left it in the restaurant last night. It is certain that I left it there. This glass is cracked. Someone must have dropped it. Here, I'm sure that someone has dropped it. Now, see how this creates the perfect tense. The main verb following have is in the past participle from past participle form. So, when talking about the present or the future, must is followed by bare infinitive form. But when talking about past, must is followed by have and the past participle verb form. Here are some of the questions that you have to rewrite the sentence using modal and forms given in the brackets. First question, perhaps he will arrive soon. Here modal verb is given may. So answer will be he may arrive soon. Might. Perhaps she is busy now. She might be busy now. Could. It is possible that the key is in the drawer. The key could be in the drawer. So there are many questions, exercise in the book you can go through. So today we have learned about probability and certainty, where to use may, could, must, etc. So in the next video I'll tell you about new chapter. Okay, thank you.